Good morning students. This video is for class 1 subject English 2 chapter 9 and the chapter name is Cats Sleep Anywhere. Cats sleep anywhere. Okay. So let's start. As you can see, this is a poem written by Eleanor Farjeon. Okay. Now it is a poem. First, choose suitable homes for these animals. Choose suitable homes for these animals. Okay. This is our help box. We have to fill these blanks by the help of this help box. Okay. A lion lives in a shed, den, web, coop, or nest. Where does a lion live? A lion lives in a den. Number 2, a spider lives in a shed, web, coop, or nest. Where does a spider live? A spider lives in a web. Number 3, a cow lives in a shed, coop, or nest. Where does a cow live? A cow lives in a shed. Number 4, a bird lives in a coop or nest. Where does a bird live? A bird lives in a nest. Number 5 and last, a hen lives in a coop. A hen lives in a coop. Number 1, a lion lives in a den, D-E-N, den. A spider lives in a web, W-E-B, web. A cow lives in a shed, S-H-E-D, shed. Number 4, a bird lives in a nest, N-E-S-T, nest. Number 5, a hen lives in a coop, C-O-O-P, coop. Now turn the page. Let us recite the poem. Okay. Now all of you recite after me. Cats sleep anywhere. Any table, any chair. Top of piano, window ledge. In the middle, on the edge. Open drawer, empty shoe. Anybody's lap will do. Fitted in a cardboard box. In the cupboard with your frocks. Anywhere, they don't care. Cats sleep anywhere. Written by Eleanor Farjeon. Okay. So, in this poem, the poet explained that cats can sleep anywhere. Any table, any chair, top of piano, window ledge, in the middle or the edge, open drawer, shoe, empty shoe, anybody's lap, cardboard box, cupboard, anywhere. They can fit anywhere. Okay. Once again, cats sleep anywhere, any table, any chair, top of piano, window ledge, in the middle, on the edge, open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap will do, fitted in a cardboard box, in the cupboard with your frocks, anywhere, they don't care, cats sleep anywhere. Now comprehension part. Write T for true and F for false. Write T for true and F for false. Number 1. Cats can sleep anywhere. Is this true or false? Yes, this one is true. They can sleep anywhere. Number 2. They cannot sleep on table. This one is false. They can sleep any table or any chair. Number 3. Cats sleep only in the cupboard. No, this one is false. Cats sleep not only in cupboard. They can sleep anywhere, any table, chair, cardboard box, empty shoe. Number 4. They cannot sleep in a cardboard box. This one is false. They can easily fit it in a cardboard box. Okay. So cats can sleep anywhere? True. They cannot sleep on table? False. Cats sleep only in the cupboard? False. They cannot sleep in a cardboard box? False. Okay. Hope you all understood this chapter very well. Keep practicing in your home. Thank you.